Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's understand how you can configure GitHub Copilot in Eclipse IDE. As we have already understood that GitHub Copilot is your AI powered pair programmer, which not only will be able to help you in generating the new code snippets, helping you with any of the errors, it will help you in fixing a lot of issues in your code base quickly. So why we are going through the Eclipse IDE, just want to show you some of the Java Selenium code as well, and how GitHub Copilot, which is our AI powered pair programmer, to help us write the code faster, write the test automation scripts faster, and then make sure we get better coverage. It will also help us to fix any of the errors and issues, and let's see how we are going to do that. So to download Eclipse IDE, simply you have to go to eclipseide.org or just Google download Eclipse IDE. You will land to the page and download the latest one. If you open this page, you will land up something here, and this Eclipse IDE for Java developers is what you need to install in your machine. Okay, so the assumption is, as part of this AI course, that you already have the Eclipse IDE, you already have the Java JDK installed on your machine. So once you install the Eclipse IDE, you can then go ahead. Basically, it's just a zip file. You just have to extract and put it in specific location within your project. Or if you go ahead and say download the Mac OS version, so for example the DMG file, you can specifically install it accordingly in the Mac OS. Okay, so for Mac OS you can download the DMG, and then for the Linux you have different, as per the architecture, you have different versions available here. We are on Windows, so we'll go ahead and download this zip file, extract it in whichever location you are comfortable on your machine. Once you extract that folder, okay, so you'll end up something like this. You just have to go ahead and double click eclipse.exe to open Eclipse IDE, which will open something like that. Okay, now the next thing is to install the GitHub Copilot extension in Eclipse. So how you can go ahead and do that? So if you go to the help and go to the Eclipse Marketplace. So in Eclipse Marketplace, you simply have to search for GitHub Copilot. Okay, so here in the find box, I'll simply say GitHub Copilot and then search. So it will show you the GitHub Copilot plugin officially by GitHub. Okay, this is free plugin available. Simply go ahead and click on install. You will see, as I have already installed, it is showing as installed, but then for you it will be something like install. So simply install the official GitHub Copilot plugin. Okay, it is officially from the Microsoft GitHub, and once it is installed, you will be able to see the chat window here. Okay, so we have installed Eclipse. Make sure you have the JDK installed as well, because Java code requires the JIRA, the runtime environment, and then Eclipse, and finally GitHub Copilot plugin. Once all of this is installed, then you will get this chat window, and simply we have to go ahead and sign in using our GitHub Copilot account. Okay, so before you can use GitHub Copilot, you need to have the account on GitHub Copilot. Okay, so for creating an account for the GitHub Copilot, you simply go to the github.com and Copilot. So if you go to the platform, you'll see that we have GitHub Copilot here, wherein you can write better code with AI. That's what they say, right? And we'll see that in action as well. So simply here you can say try Copilot now, or simply you create an account on the GitHub Copilot. Because I'm already logged in, so it's landed on this page. But for, say for example, let me open new window, and then I'll say GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. So you'll be landing on this page. Simply click on sign up, okay, and use your either Google account, Apple account, or simple email, whichever email you prefer, and follow the process to sign up. Okay, then recently there have been some changes in the plans and pricing. So usually you will be having the free account, which is basically $0, and that is the fastest way to start with a good GitHub Copilot. All right, at the moment you will see that you can go ahead with the Pro account as well. So the Pro account, you will get whatever is there in free, but then you will get more premium requests, more agents, or more AI models or large language models that will be available here. I have the Pro account, So my interface that you will be seeing would be a bit different from yours, but then you can choose whatever model are available in your free account. There is no need as such to go ahead and upgrade for pro account unless until you are proactively using it. Okay, and you actually need it for learning purpose. Free account is good enough, so you can go ahead, get started and sign up for the free GitHub account. Once you have this free GitHub Copilot account, then come back to Eclipse IDE, and in the chat section we'll simply go ahead, sign in using Copilot. Okay, and you will see as soon as the Copilot will be installed, you will get the tab here as well next to help for the GitHub Copilot. You can also click on sign in to GitHub from here, or simply sign in to use Copilot. Now it will ask for the authorization. Because I am already logged in on GitHub Copilot account, I'll simply say copy code and open, and it will go ahead to my account. Okay, and I'll say continue. So once you will put the code that you have received initially, and then if you have enabled two-factor authentication as well, you might be required to put that from the authenticator app that you have on your mobile device. So once everything is set, you will get the congratulations message that GitHub Copilot is now set in there. Okay, so you'll see I've successfully signed in and authorized GitHub Copilot access to the GitHub account. I'll say okay, and now you will see the agent mode, Copilot agent mode is active in Eclipse IDE. Okay, so now from the next tutorial, we will go ahead and look at the Java code or Selenium Java code, which is the old code that I have. We'll try to fix the errors in that code and then learn some of the core functionalities of GitHub Copilot and how Copilot will be able to expedite your work as a test automation engineer, SDET, and test architect. Thank you. See you in the next one.